So guys, these are the most handsome leaders of Just Cafe from Aluwaini. Mr. Majid, Mr. Anas, Mr. Walid, Mr. Robert, Mr. Amir, and Mr. Renz. These are the most handsome. Thank you for your cooperation, sir. Thank you so much.
It is truly a joy to see everyone gathered here today to celebrate this special seasons of love, peace, and togetherness. Christmas reminds us of the importance of kindness, sharing, and gratitude. Not only gifts, but also our time, care, and love.
Merry Christmas. I wish everything for everybody 26 good for each one. Thank you very much.
It's time to shine. Who will be the lucky winner for iPhone 17 Pro Max 2025? Okay, the most awaited card. Ladies and gentlemen, who will be the next lucky winner? From Granada, from Yuan, from Myanmar, from Aquino. Okay, next. Congratulations! 635510. Ticket, check ticket, 6